This is 10 Academic, Unit 6, Vocabulary Unit. Our first word is brandish. Brandish means to wave or flourish in a menacing or vigorous fashion, to shake or to swing. And you can see in the photo that the bank robber is brandishing his gun at the teller in hopes of getting some money. Our next word is comprise. Comprise is also a verb, to conclude or contain, to be made up of. So in the picture there's a list of ingredients to make a cake. So cake is comprised of eggs, flour, and other ingredients. Pizza is comprised of dough, cheese, sauce, and a band is comprised of different musicians. Destitute. Destitute means deprived of the necessities of life or lacking in. Synonyms are wanting, devoid, impoverished, penniless. So a homeless person, someone who's extremely poor, or refugees are good examples for destitute. Explicit. Explicit is an adjective. It means definite or clearly stated. So if you are anything like me, you need explicit directions when driving somewhere. You need them to be exact so you know exactly where to go. Teachers often give explicit directions so that the students know exactly what is expected of them. Ironic. Ironic is suggesting an incongruity between what might be expected and what actually happens. So in the photo you see the man wearing a short shirt for a peace team, but yet he appears to be fighting. Other examples, a fire station that burns down is ironic. An ambulance going to save somebody but actually running over a victim is also an example of irony. Ominous. The clouds in the photo are quite ominous. Ominous means unfavorable, threatening, of bad omen, so a bad sign of things to come. So black clouds on the horizon are ominous. If you're superstitious, a black cat crossing your path can be an ominous sign, so something unfavorable is going to happen. Pinnacle. Pinnacle means a high peak or point. It can literally be like what you see in the photo. That would be the pinnacle of the mountain. That is the highest peak of the mountain. It can also be the high peak or the high point of your life or of your career. So maybe if you are a high school athlete, winning a state championship might be the pinnacle of your athletic career. Premeditated. Premeditated is something that is considered beforehand and deliberately planned and thought out. So something that's pre-planned, something that is rehearsed. You often hear the word premeditated with premeditated murder. If somebody is guilty of premeditated murder, it carries a more serious charge than something that's spontaneous, because this is thought out, it was planned ahead of time. Supple. Supple is an adjective. It means bending easily, bending with agility. Something that's very flexible. If you look at your synonyms, flexible, limber, pliable. This is a flexible, the photo is a flexible keyboard, so something that's very supple. Someone who is adaptable and accepts change in their life is flexible and supple. A dancer's body usually has to be very supple, very flexible. Same with a gymnast. Suppress. Suppress is a verb, to stop by force or to put down, to subdue, to crush, to stifle. Different examples, you can suppress a riot, which means that the police would come in and stop the riot. If rumors are going around school, you can suppress the rumors by ending them. Limiting people's rights, stopping their rights. A cough suppressant, if you ever take cough medicine or cough drops, that can help suppress your cough, that can help stop or subdue your cough. And that is it for the end of our slideshow.